Hello and welcome everyone to a quick fix video on our Toyota FJ45. So we're gonna show you how to replace a Speedo cable on this truck. It's gonna be so easy and straightforward. So let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so there is a 30mm bolt holding in the Speedo cable on the transfer case. All we gotta do is remove this and the whole cable will be pulled out. Now note that there might be some spillage of gear oil, so get yourself an open bottle to catch it. So the bolt was 12mm, but mine was caked on with grease, so the 12mm socket did not fit on first because, well, it was thick with grease. Here's the bolt. Then all you gotta do is to pull the cable out, and it comes flying out like so. So guys, we got this piece out. The mount was broken and also it was leaking a bunch of oil out of it. Now if you look closely, now I know you must turning it with your hand is not like the transmission turning it, so it's pretty low gear, but it must at least try to budge here, and it's not trying to move at all. So we know that it is broken inside the wire somewhere. So we're gonna get ourselves a new one and show you how to install it. Okay guys, so while we're at it, we're gonna change the temperature sending unit, which is there on the intake manifold. So let's remove the pigtail, then get the right wrench. Okay guys, so as you saw, we got the temperature sending unit out. First we used a breaker bar to break it loose, then we used a regular socket wrench and we got it out. Now we're gonna go get some new parts and start the installation. Okay guys, so this is the next day. Today we got us a temperature sending unit, but we couldn't find a Speedo cable. So we're gonna be rebuilding the one that we have. We're gonna unthread the Speedo cable from itself. As you can see, it should not come apart like that. There's a cable inside that is broken and it attaches in here. So as you saw, we pulled the inner side cable out of the outer side, and it turned out to be broken from the middle also. Not the middle, before the middle even. Anyway, now we don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna catch you when we know. Okay guys, so as you saw, the inner wire is well chunked from here, and we can't catch it even with the pliers. So we made a little bit of a cut around the tip. We're gonna break it like this to reveal some more of the inner cable. This way we can pull it out. Guys, so here we have the inner cable that we took out from the Honda here. And also while we're at it, we pulled out this cable because it was a little bit longer from the FJ45 cable. Now we can, well, use it on the FJ45. We must reuse this fitting because it's special for the FJ45 transfer case, but we can. It's the same, it has the same end on this side, as you can see. So like it was made to be. So now we're gonna start assembling the cable together and then throw it on the car. Now we're gonna test it on the cluster, see if it's gonna function. I'm gonna give her a spin. So we're doing 60 kilometers an hour. So it's functioning right. Now we know for sure that it works, so we're gonna start the assembly. Okay guys, so now we got the Speedo cable all assembled back together. I'm gonna start fishing it from the front side of the truck to the rear side, where I will be sleeping under the rear, taking it from there. So with that done, now we're gonna turn our focus on the temperature sensor. So now, after using some Teflon as a thread sealer, we're gonna place this adapter back in. If we can see the hole where it was. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna tighten her up, then place in the new sensor. So here we have the new sensor, OEM, genuine parts. Here's the old one side by side. Okay, it's the same, so now we're gonna start the installation. And just like that, we got everything put back together. All we have to do now is put in the cluster and test them out. Okay guys, so as you saw, the speedometer is working good enough and the temperature sensor is functional as well. With that being said, we successfully fixed both of our problems. Hopefully it will last, and it should. Anyway, this is gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you go watch the full playlist of this build, because well, this build has came to an end. See you on the next one. Peace.